Hey, this is JT with RMUS. I'm going to show you more about the ARMUS and the RMUS GO-TO AI Technology. So I'm here with Kuba, our chief engineer, and we're going to show you the design of this. So Kuba, walk us through how we start with the design of the ARMUS.
Of course. So first things first, we have to design our model in 3D modeling software. So we have to decide what type of motors that we want to choose, what type of propellers, how many propellers we want to put into our build, and which material we want to choose for our print. So as you can see, this model comes in request of looking for something which can operate indoors, and then we can print this, test it, and make some iterations to it.
So this is our final iteration of this, but it's actually been months of development. And what's nice is we can rapidly prototype these, develop them, print them out, test them. But you'd be surprised, as we started doing testing, we have different vibrations where we don't need them. As we did some crash testing, things are breaking in certain areas, so we have to strengthen those. So that's kind of the rapid prototyping we've been able to do to get to this product right here that's actually looks pretty simple, but it's not. So I think this is one of my favorite things, Kuba. The flexibility of this, where I can bend this like a pretzel, right? This is pretty amazing. However, what happens if I put that on the drone?
Yeah, there's a small problem that the vibrations are transmitted to the flight control software, and there is a little bit issues with stability. So that's why it needs to be a little bit more stiff.
So what we developed is something a little more stiff with this. Now the cool thing is we've made this very modular, right? So if you did have a problem with the prop guards, you're able to quickly swap those out and put new ones on in the field. But I don't know if you're going to have that problem. Let's see, watch this. So I've slammed that on the ground, and look, it's still very stable. So nice work there, Kuba. Any other features that you think are really unique to this drone?
I mean, for sure, it's like flight stabilization system. So thanks to choosing the right proportion for this drone, we can operate him inside and outside, depending on the probable cost.
Okay, excellent. Well, that's the background on the ARMUS body or canopy, and we'll have some more videos shortly about other parts of it.